Today I'm going to show you how to blend shapes to create something like you see on screen here. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here on our workspace, I've got two layers set up in my layers panel. My background layer is black and it's locked. I have layer 2 where I'm going to apply all my artwork to. So first things first, I have no fill selected. The stroke is black. This part really doesn't matter, but I'm going to select my paintbrush tool and draw out some cursive letter. I'm going to choose the letter L, so let's go ahead and do that. My stroke width is at 4 points right now, so you could change that later if you want. I actually will. I'll change it down to like 2, I guess, and I'll also rotate a little bit there. So we have a letter on screen. That's fine. We want to apply, like, as you saw in the preview, a gradient type of effect to this. And what I'm going to do next is select my ellipse tool, and I'm going to get rid of my fill. I'm going to get rid of my stroke. I'm going to keep my fill, but I'm going to apply a gradient to it. And again, Command F9 on the Mac will get you your gradient panel. So my panel's over here. I've already created a linear gradient, and I'm going to just drag out with the fill selected, holding shift, a perfect little ellipse right there, a circle. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and hold the Option key and drag out roughly right there. So I have 2 on screen, but I'll select them. All I want to do now is, again, with my advanced tools active, go down to my blend or hit the keyboard shortcut W so that we can morph shapes and colors between 2 or more objects like it says on screen right there. So once I click it, nothing really happens. However, I need to click on my first one and then my second one to apply this little effect to, and it's now created that little blend right there. So we want to apply that to this, and by clicking out and dragging over everything, selecting everything basically, I'm going to go to Object, then I'm going to go to Blend, and I want to replace spine. So once I select Replace Spine, it will now create, as you can see here, it just a bunch of those circles all over that cursive L that we created. Just for visualization, I'm going to move this up here for us to see it a little bit easier. And with it currently selected, everything selected, go back to your object and let's look at our blend options. So once we click on blend options, we can change the spacing from smooth color to specified steps. Right now they're at 26 for specified steps. Also make sure your preview is active so that you can see this effect in real time. So once I'm holding shift, so this increases a lot more quick for you on screen here, but I've got like over 500 different specified steps now, and by doing so I'm around 740. I'll just hit OK. That looks, actually I'm gonna go up a little more until there's a significant blend that I'm happy with, and 1,000 actually is the limit that I'm able to go to. So with that being said and everything deselected, in just a few quick steps, we were able to create this unique letter with a blend and a gradient applied. So if you had any issues with this, let me know, because this is super easy to do, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.